Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. So if you are new to my channel and still have not subscribed yet, then I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload new recipes, you get that video notifications. So don't forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting a very simple, easy and quick recipe of aloo. It's Aloo Matar ki sabzi, or you can call this as Aloo Matar curry. Whenever you don't have much time for cooking or you are running short of vegetables, aloo sabzi always becomes the savior. So first check the ingredient list for this. And now to make this curry I have taken 7 medium-sized potato. I have washed this already. And now we'll pressure cook this with just 2 whistles. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. And now for the gravy, I have taken 3 medium-sized tomato, 1 inch ginger and 2 green chili. Roughly chop all of them and put it in a grinder and make a paste of this tomato, chili and ginger. The paste is ready. And now put a tawa in gas. Add 1 tablespoon refined oil. Once the oil is heated, just lower the flame and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of jeera. Fry for a few seconds and now we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now Kashmiri red chili only gives the rich color to your dish. So giving 2 teaspoons will not make the curry spicy. Now mix this very well. And now add the tomato paste. Start sauteing this. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon besan and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now saute it very well until the raw smell of besan goes away. And now add 1 cup fresh peas, that is matar. You can even add frozen peas also. Again mix this very well. Now add salt according to your taste and little water. And now cover the lid and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, just check once. All the peas are now soft enough. Now add the boiled potatoes. Just roughly break the potatoes with your hand. Now mix this very well. If you want to have dry aloo matar curry, then this is the right time you can serve. Just add garam masala before serving. But I want a watery consistency. So I am adding 1 glass water. Now mix everything very well and allow it to boil. No need to cover the tawa, as the potatoes are already boiled. Now after 2 minutes, we'll add half teaspoon of garam masala. Now mix it properly. And now in a separate tawa, dry roast 1 teaspoon kasuri methi and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Just dry roast this for few seconds. You will get beautiful aroma. And now make a fine powder of this. Now add this to the curry and mix it properly. This will give the beautiful aroma to your gravy. Now finally we need to give some tadka. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon ghee in a separate tawa and 1 teaspoon hing. Now mix this properly and now add this to your aloo matar curry and now cover with a lid. And finally your delicious quick aloo matar curry is ready. Enjoy this with plain roti, paratha, plain rice. Actually it goes with everything. Don't forget to check some other veg recipes without onion and garlic. Links in the description box. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like it, then please give a like, share it and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.